Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we want to bring along with us as we build this farmhouse coffee table. Check it out. Really should get a coaster. Amateur. Come on, we got a coffee table to build. Let's go. Come on. I'm getting the truck. Get in there. Come on. No? Not having it? Is it too hot? I guess he's taking a sick day. We'll start by milling up all the lumber for the top. With the top all glued up, we'll cut it down to its final size, sand it, and stain it. It is hot. Now we'll apply a satin lacquer finish. While that's drying, we'll start on the legs. without a miter saw, we had to make these super sketchy 60-degree cuts on our radial arm saw, which required us to take the guard off. I do not recommend this. Now the legs are all ready for paint. So I just got everything painted up here, and it took about 100 times longer than it needed to due to the fact that I don't have a paint sprayer. So I had to brush it all on by hand, but it's done now. So I'll let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back with some 220 grit sandpaper and give it a distressed look. Then I'll attach the top, and this thing will be done. Alright, so we did 3 coats of satin brush lacquer on the top and the bottom. And after that, I went back and I rubbed some mineral oil on there. And after that, she's all wrapped up. I'm really happy with the way this piece turned out. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this table. And I hope you guys subscribe to see more. See you next time.